All right, everybody, we're live here. I've been trying to get live this morning, but I've been so focused on this chart and what's going on here. And now we've broken our 15 and 30-minute opening range break. So you can see we're up here $385 for the day. Gonna see if we can get some more trades here. But we're coming down, this green line here is a pivot point from July 4th after hours session. We had a pivot low there, and then we bounced again here. I have a little trend line going. We have broken the trend line. If we break below this line right here, this green line, we got quite a move back down. Yeah. Got like a 60, 70 point move back down. Okay, we're going to watch it here for a minute. Sorry everyone, I had the mic off. I apologize for that. We've broken below my trend line here and below pre-market lows. Not sure what we're going to do next. We're kind of bouncing off this area here, this green line, which was a pivot point from overnight, 4th of July. We'll see if we continue down. I mean, I like shorts here, but it's been a bull market. I like shorts right here. Let's see what happens here. See if we continue up. We come back up and touch this trend line or touch the 9 EMA and see if we get some moves here. Like I was showing you before. We are up $385 so far today. And we'll see if that can continue. Looks like we want to keep going down, but we'll see. Beginning of this candle here. Yeah, it looks like we want to keep going, but glad we did not do that. Look at that, bouncing back up. Shorts have been tough in this market. Yeah, look at that bounce. Wow. See if we come back up to this trend line here, but the thing is, see, this is a 5-minute candle making a new high right here, so I really don't like this short yet. We just broke this area here. We'll have to see. We are touching the 9. Still got 3 minutes left on this candle. Oh, we're getting rejection there on the 9. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that wick. Wow. Wick down. Yeah, look at that. Looks like she wants to continue down. Alright, yeah, look at that wick. She wants to keep going. Alright, do we take a trade here? Do we take a trade right here? That is the question. And back up again. And we're going back up again to the 9 again. Tough trading day, man. We just can't seem to get a solid direction one way or the other. It looked like shorts, but here we go. Maybe another rejection here off the 9. Back up again. I kind of like shorts here. Let's see. Maybe we take a small scalp here. We're in. Look at that. Boom. Okay, in and out. Quick scalp. That was like another $75. Took that trade here. And we are up $442 on the day. Just trading this Apex account. Base hits. This was a quick little scalp here from the open of this candle down to this bottom wick. Alrighty. Yeah, it's looking weak. Doesn't look like we're getting buyers here. The question is, will it break this pivot point right here and make a move back down? It'll be a big move. $22.9 we're at. Let's see. The thing is, we're below the 50 EMA. We're below VWAP. We're below the 21. We're below the 9. But we're quite a bit below the VWAP, the 50, the 21. We're closer to the 9. So we'd really like to see it come up a little bit more before we take a solid short up into this area here. But hard to say if that's going to happen. Alright guys, I'm going to be right back. Alright, and we're back. Ooh, nice little bear flag here. Like that short. Nice little bear flag here. See here, in here for a little scalp, and it's not going my way. Let's see here. In here for a little scalp on the bear flag. There we go. Another $65. Look at that. All right. Quick scalp on that bear flag. Guys, we are $524 today. All right. Just on taking these little scalps, using the EMAs, using the 9, using the 21, watching price action, $523 today. Let's put that down there so we can see that. Keep it there. All right. You guys see that? 523. Let's bring that down a little bit. We'll bring it way down so we can see it there. $523. That's a good day. If you do $523 every day, 256 trading days in a year, what's that come out to? Do the math. Alright guys, we've been successful today on these scalps. Yeah, I mean, you got a bear flag here. Came down, back up, touched the 9. You really don't want to see it break here, so it just depends. Yeah, it's kind of invalidated. We'll see what happens here at the 9 EMA. See if we're going to invalidate this flag down. But it looks like it's still, as of now, holding. Give us some room on the chart here. Yeah, it looks like it's struggling to go down here. See which way we make a move here. Hard to say. Hard to say which way we want to go. Alright, well I took a little scalp on this funded account and it looks like we're going to be taking a little bit of a loss here unless we get a move back down. Bear flag was invalidated, and unless we get a move back down, we're going to take a little bit of a loss here. Going back up to this trend line here, see what happens. Yeah, we're touching the trend line. Let's see if we come back down. Come back down on this trend line. We'll see how this plays out. All right. Touching the trend line. The rejection, and we're going to continue down. Here we go. And we're out. Okay, we took a tiny loss there, but it just didn't. I think we still might go down a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, she wants to go. You can see that we got that rejection off of that trend line I have here earlier this morning. See this trend line here? This is what we've been looking for. That's why we took this short here on the break. Back up to the bear flag. We touched the trend line and then back down again. So we still have these wicks to deal with. Might just stay out for now. Yeah, well, yeah, it looks like we're coming back down here. See the rejection off the 21 and the trend line, perfect right here. And then we're down below the 9 again. Will we get a close below this 9 and then continue down? That's the question. We have taken so as you can see, 524 in one account, took a $38 loss here in the other account. Got in a little too late on that one. Okay, let's see. I like this bear flag move back down to low a day, but buyers keep pushing it up right here. Yeah, we're kind of just stuck here in this range, man. Will we go back down? If we break here, this 22.82, it's going to be a hard break. Back down here. Getting that touch again. Touch on the 9. What will we do? We got this bull flag pennant right here. Are we gonna break? Look at that, we're coming down. Are we gonna break? Just holding the trend line. Let's see. Look at that, break, back up. I like this. Yeah. Don't want to go down, man. It's holding. Guys, this is your classic bull flag right here on the 5 minute. Came down, back up, and look right here again. Do we get a breakout down to here? Perfect too, right there at the 9. I think I'm going to take this short little scalp here. See if we can come back down a little bit. We're going to have a tight stop. Here we go. Come on down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. There we go. There we go. Ah, back down. That was false breakout. I am out. Okay, it's another small little loss there, so watch now. It's going to make the move. Yeah. A little too early. All right, everyone, I'm going to call it a day. Up 523 in one account, down 96 in another, so it was like $420 on the day. You can see this is not, we are just not going to follow through on that bull flag, or excuse me, bear flag breakdown. Instead, we're going right back up. So that's going to be it for me. Again, nice day in one account, down 100 in the other. Live to trade another day. All right, everyone. That's it for me, and we will probably see you tomorrow.